Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code for Basic. I'm Amin. This is the third part of our series HTML Basics. Today we'll see about HTML structure and we'll see how to create a basic HTML structure. I'll just go to my VS Code. I've already created a folder called practice and I'm creating a new file called index.html. As you can see here, the extension tells that it is a HTML file. When you just type .html, the icons automatically comes and the browser get to knows that it's a HTML file. And the first page of the website we write as the index.html and we'll the first tag here is the HTML itself. Just we have to give the grade lesser than and we have to type HTML and close with the greater than and automatically the browser close the code. As you can see here, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Here if you see, there is a forward slash in the closing tag. This tells us that this is the closing tag. Inside the HTML, there are two basic tags that are head, HEAD head. After this, there is another tag called body. I just give the space so that it will be clear. This is the basic structure of the HTML page. HTML itself, this is the HTML tag itself. Inside HTML tag, there are two tags that are head and the body. Head contains the important tags such as linking tag, meta tags, which we'll see in our future videos, and the body contains the what we see in the web page. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.